This is Brittany with WTI, and are you ready to master your macros? This is Breanne Freeman's debut book all about mastering your macros. She is a protein goddess. She is just so fantastic with the way that she approaches health and fitness, especially for the female body, but also for male or female. And she really walks you through in a very easy, simplistic way how to master your macros, burn fat, and really build the muscular body that you've always wanted. It is so good. I really love, first of all, the quality of this is so good. These pages are nice and thick and smooth. She specifically designed it to where, because there are recipes in this, so if you get any food or anything on it while you're cooking, it wipes right off, which is so wonderful. And first she walks you all through the ins and outs of protein and just the different macros and how they affect your body. And then you tailor it to what your macro menu should look like and figure out exactly the ratio that your body needs for your specific needs and what you're going for. And I highly recommend this book for Mastering Your Macros by Breanne Freeman. And that's my point of view.